Hello there, back again. Just pulled into this area here. As you can see, lots of down trees and deadfall and whatnot. I'm not gonna cut down anything green or living. I'm just gonna take 3 or 4 of these trees that are already down that are just gonna rot here anyway. The chainsaw and the Pelican sled. So I'll probably just try to cut them to that length, throw them in the sled, and lug them back, pull them back to the truck. Got my, hold on for a sec. Jeez. My bear paw snowshoes on. So I'll get at this now and check back in after a bit.